Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. I'm joined by Lenas, and I'm here with my co-host Ntlan Dima. Hey guys, football is back. Football is back. Because the Chiefs is back to doing what we do best. You know what we do good.
Wow,
Because the
wow,
Chiefs ibuyile.
wow.
No. Senza what we do best. What we do best. Into esazelwa yona. Yeah, understand. My boy, football is back. Amagame aqalile izolo. Pirates won. The Clermont Boys won. Everyone is happy. Kune peace country. Pirates winning the 2-0 against the newly promoted side, which is the Milford Kaizer Chiefs, who won 3-1 against the newly promoted side, which is Kruger United. Pirates. Let's start with Orlando Pirates. How was the game for you?
Um, First and foremost, kule game there, I just want to give full credit to Milford. I thought Milford they played really well. Um, I thought they made the Pirates really uncomfortable, especially in the first half. Yabo. The Pirates they couldn't play. Yabo. You could say okay, Pirates is a little bit rusty. Yabo, ama-players azama ukungena kumgqiqo wabo. Fine, you can say all of that, but I thought Milford did very well in making sure ukuthi Pirates is not comfortable in their game. They made sure ukuthi it's not an easy game. Yabo, they put ama center back under pressure. They put ama midfielder way under pressure. Like the Pirates couldn't play their usual way. Yabo. So I want to give credit to Emil Ford in that sense. And I thought Uti, if they had a little bit of quality, I thought they could have, caused Pirates some trouble. I thought they could have scored a goal in Ab. Yes, Orlando Pirates, they got some opportunity. Yes, because Orlando Pirates, I've always been saying Uti, Pirates is I think it's the most dangerous team in the league. In terms of creating a matuba. But Pirates ibuye naleyo mkhuba wayo ukuthi they don't convert as much as they should. But credit to Emil Ford. I think enye into Emil Ford that was a bit of a downfall. Yeah, but I think they pressing at times they did a little bit too much. Because you saw the second goal.
Yeah.
They tried to play an offside trap, and trying to play an offside trap against the Orlando Pirates, especially Scotini, you're gonna get punished. So that was the downfall, Milford. But performance-wise, Orlando Pirates, I mean, the player that impressed me the most is Udansin. I think Udansin is gonna have a big season this season. I think Futi coach, if he gives him opportunities, I think Kwayena himself kumele ayibambe ngezandla zoyi-two. Because Orlando Pirates they always give opportunities to youngsters slowly. Kancane kancane. Mawuthi ubuka uRele naye. uRele didn't just get into a first team start. He was introduced slowly. Mane ngena kulawa game lawo and he took his opportunity. So I'm looking forward to the young players kakhulu Orlando Pirates, but igame ezolo bobona ukuthi it's just igame yokuqala kwisizini. I mean, I'm a player still rusty.
Yeah.
But yeah, nonetheless, 3 points is 3 points.
3 points, 3 points. I understand, and 100% with what you are saying. But you know what? Milford inenzile uncomfortable at certain times. Yeah, I understand, and which is a good thing. Ukuthi a newly promoted side it may figure ngapha kungabe ukuthi hayi they'll just give it easy to the big team. Yeah, I understand, and coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, no, I won't lie to you. I'm impressed with what I saw yesterday. I feel like I'm a cheetah. Machita Spanil. Yo, Luke Bartman, Chislet, smooth operator. Yeah, I understand. Flavio Silva, Correle, I don't have any complaints. Fundo Villagazi. Talking about Mabo and Ndlovu. Amachita Salil. I won't lie to you, man. I saw a very, a very, very, very good display from Kaizer Chiefs. I was impressed. Yeah, I understand that how we were knocking a corner ball. I understand that the way we were attacking a corner, how patient they were with the build up. I understand. Yes, mistakes were there. We considered the ball at times immediately in the best full but what's more important is what we do when we have the ball enyaweni zethu. Yeah, I understand. That's the most important thing. You go, okay, some things can be tweaked, some things can be fixed, but with what I saw yesterday, man, it was a good game. It was a good game. You know, sometimes when the Kaizer Chiefs ikora and then the other team basically ikora, uqala uba nervous. Yeah, I understand ukuthi ish, I wonder sizothola la elinye goal. But yesterday it's a Kruger United made the equalizer. I wasn't even stressed. I wasn't even stressed because of I had already seen the game and I had already seen the end result of the game. I was like, no way, we're going to win this game. You understand? No Miganjani, we're going to win this game. So, yeah, man, what do you think with the game against the Chiefs?
Yeah, so I want to differ nyana, particularly in the first half. Yeah, but
Yeah.
first half, Chiefs started the game really well. Yeah, but they were on the front foot. They showed Uguti, this is a new season. We want to give the fans something. Yeah, but and yeah, but by playing high tempo and stuff, and they got their goal. Yeah, but I feel like after maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, nyana, they dropped. Yeah, like combine it like as smoothly as they did exactly game, and it allowed the Kruger United to get back into the game. Yabo. And I feel like lela goal abalikorile Kruger United, I feel like it was a blessing, kind of a blessing in disguise for the second half for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-realize ukuthi hey bafethu kumele siphaphame yabo, otherwise ugcina igame isingayinanga. Hence why second half bafaka bo-Wandile Duba who I think is an incredible player for Kaizer Chiefs. I think he should be starting more yabo. um it allowed the Chiefs ukuthi phaphame yabo, because we've seen this thing at Kaizer Chiefs in previous season ukuthi they can start the game really well and score a goal, but then they switch off, and masa sebe switch off and allow the other team to get back yabo. They kind of struggle yabo. We've seen it in plenty games. I'm a game like Stellenbosch last season. Yabo,
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns, Loftus, yabo. We've seen it a lot, but credit to yesterday, Uguti, they managed to still win the game.
Still
Yabo,
in, you know,
after Sebe equalizing.
yes. I don't want to come across as if I'm jumping the gun or I'm being too confident, but I'm looking at our attacking players and I'm like, we still have Langelihle Pili, Ongeza. I don't want to say it's done deal. I'm just saying, if it happens, we still have Tutuzi Shabalala. The squad is in a potential. I-potential yale squad lesi idinga a smart coach, and I hope Uta Cruz is gonna do justice to the squad list now. So because of we have we have good players, man, like Amachita, man, Luke Baratman, man. What a performance from Montoan. You understand? I'm Fundo Villagazi. I'm not surprised. You understand? So going back to a point yakho, I think ngiyavumelana nawe mawuthi that goal eMilford ye-Kruger United isenze sibuye egaming, and itime amajita nayo ebuye egaming, you could see ukuthi like, you know what, okay, now we're back. You understand? You look at our Mabowe, good shift. You understand? So hey man, I'm in a nervous excitement about this season, you know, and changing nervous excitement. I don't know what to think, but based on what I saw last night, I'm happy. Inhliziyo ngilala ngenhliziyo emnandi, but I know ukuthi this is Kaizer Chiefs. I know ukuthi kusazoliwa. I know ukuthi kusazoba nama-complaints, but for now, still start of the season, man. Let's just take it 3 points. We're number one eligini. So number one eligini, Nhlanhla. Yeah, I understand.
Ah,
Yeah, I understand. It's lonely at the top. It's lonely at the top. Yeah, I understand. And we still have the game Sundowns. Sundowns hasn't played. We'll see during the week. During the course of the week with our games as well. So I don't know if you still want to add anything.
can I touch on 2 points with Chiefs, which I saw yesterday. One, okay, in midfield net defense, yabo. One in the midfield, Spesihle Ndlovu, yabo. Spesihle Ndlovu, I think is a good player. I think he's an incredible player. There's a reason why he has played for Orlando Pirates and now he's playing for Kaizer Chiefs. He's an incredible player. But I feel like a coach needs to talk to him in terms of aggressiveness yakhe, because at times a little bit too aggressive, yabo. Uzolimaza abadlali and he's gonna get red cards, yabo. And kungenzeka ukuthi mhlambe uncost in a very big game. Let's say you're playing iDerby or you're playing against the Downs. Avela shy a reckless tackle, abe late, because he's always late. That's the thing. It's there's nothing wrong with being aggressive, yabo. But more aggressive, make sure ukuthi you're not late. Because ma late uzolimaza abadlali and uzothola amakhadi and uzocost the team at some point. Yabo. So I feel like he needs a little bit of coaching in that area of his aggressiveness. Yabo. Maybe Chiefs can hire individual coaches abazomcoacha on like ukusuka kuyomaka umdlalo i-timing yabo, abazomcoacha nge-timing. Yabo. It's the little details that matter. Yabo. And with regards to the defense, Mina, the defender that I want to see at Kaizer Chiefs is Utabo Molesan. I'm excited to see Lela defend. I think Lela defender Leliana will give Kaizer Chiefs a different dynamic because one, umnandi umjite enyaweni. Two, he's got leadership. Yabo. And that's something that I feel like Chiefs is lacking at defense. I don't think I'm a defender with Chiefs have got a lot of quality in Yahweh. Yabo. And even with leadership, I believe Utabo Molesane will really help, especially my Zodlan Msimango, because I think Msimango is also a great centre back for Kaizer Chiefs. Like I would love to see Leo partnership. Yabo. Msimango will have someone who we can look up to, who's okay, this is the type of player nami engaba ilona, yabo, with regards to the leadership, the quality yokudlala, yabo. So I'm excited to see Utabo Molesane at that defense.
Umloisane uzobench Miguel. That's a fact. You understand? Miguel, yeah, also kill amachite amanzi benchini. Umloisane, you know, with Umloisane, I know what to expect. I've seen him, Kustelis. I know what to expect. He's a brilliant player, good on the ball. Ngivumelana nawe lapho. So ngifuna afike laphana vele angipentshele uInacio laphana, and then okunye sobona. And I just can't wait for a return yaga Dotli, man. You can imagine having uDotli, having Umloisane as a centre back pairing, and having maybe Msimango, and having Ukwinika as a backup. We also have Uxolani Khosa, Lumchita Besimlone eBotswana last season. He's back now. You understand? So I'm also excited ngendaba kaMloisane. And then with regards to Indaba kaNdlovu, you're raising a very good point. Ndlovu is too aggressive, and uqinisile mawuthi uzosicosta. I feel like he's a brilliant player. We all know that, but I feel like I share the same sentiments now. He needs to tone it down a bit because uzosicosta in big games and uzothola ama-red card unnecessary and uzolimaza ama-player. You understand? So I think that's one thing he should look into now as a player, which, you know what, I think I'm doing too much because of, as you've said, there's nothing wrong with being aggressive. It's a contact sport. You understand? There's nothing wrong with being aggressive, but the problem now starts when you are late. You understand? Because of you aggressive and you late, uzolimaza umuntu. You understand? Unginikeza ibhola ngiyajika ngalo, uthi ufuna ukuba aggressive ngiyalirelease ngishaya ngesicathulo. Red card, big game, semi-final or final, or playing against Sundowns or playing against Orlando Pirates. You understand? So I think he needs to look into that. He needs to fix that. And yeah, man, I agree with your points.
Yeah, Jayam. So Njoba it's lonely at the top. Do you think by the time you pay this season, you'll still say the same thing?
No, it will still be lonely at the top. I'm saying that with my chest out. It will still be lonely. This season, you saw Kaizer Chiefs last season, so I think it's no joke. People should expect something from Kaizer Chiefs this season. You know, if Singaba is consistent as we were, with a little bit of progress from last season, I think we're gonna cause problems for people. We're gonna cause problems for people, and it's still gonna be lonely at the top for us.
Sobon.
All
Sobon.
right, I don't know. Do you still want to add anything?
Nah. That's it from me. Noma
Yeah, man.
singayivala nje.
Yeah, man. But to please like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Football is back, man. You're gonna be seeing our faces week in, week out, week in, week out, every day. Bafethu. My game during the week is corner. My game weekends is corner. Football is back, man. Football is back, man. So please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, man. Please show some love. We're just doing this for the love of the game, man. It's a boy and listen. I'm out. Then yabona ukuthi ngiphuma njani. Ngiphuma kanje.
We.